In this video, I will show you how to find a file by name using the command line in Ubuntu. Let's start by opening the terminal. You can do that by pressing the Ctrl, Alt and T keys at the same time. This will open the terminal window where we can type our commands. Now, to search for a file by its name, we will use the find command. It is a powerful tool that can search through folders to find the file you want. To search the whole system, type the following command showing on the screen. Replace filename.txt with the name of the file you're trying to find. For example, if the file is called notes.txt, type find name notes.txt2/dev/null. The slash after find tells it to search from the root folder. The part 2/dev/null simply hides error messages about folders you are not allowed to search. If you don't want to search the whole system, you can search only in the current folder and its subfolders. For that, use this command you can see on the screen. Here, the dot means the current folder, so this will be faster and simpler if you already know where the file might be. Let me show you an example. Suppose I want to find a file called data.csv and I'm already in the Downloads folder. I can type find name data.csv. If the file is found, the command will show you the path where it is located. If nothing shows up, it means the file was not found in that folder. This method works for any file type. You can use it to find text files, images, scripts, or any other file, as long as you know the name. That is how you can find a file by name using the terminal in Ubuntu.